Thursday, June 7th, day 67. Hiking through Maryland. Should hit the Mason-Dixon line in about 7 or 8 miles. And we'll be done with Maryland and into Pennsylvania next. So, Maryland, less than 2 days. Land in Pennsylvania tonight. Good hiking weather though, yesterday and today. So, and Switch is hiking with me, making me keep a pace that's a little higher than I normally would, which is good. We do have a lot of rocks. I think it's a preview for what we're going to see in Pennsylvania. So, might as well get used to it. All right. Nice cool weather. I'll take it.